Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your internet data usage on Cox. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your internet data usage. Maybe you're deciding whether you need unlimited data or not based on your usage. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Cox. Next, go ahead and scroll down, and then where it says View Internet Data Usage, click on View Internet Data Usage. So it's going to redirect you to this page here where you can see your current usage, the usage cycle, and what data plan you're on. So you can see the current daily, the monthly, the past daily, and etc. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your internet data usage on Cox. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.